Hey guys, look what just came in. Premier just released their tie-dye Chenille and I ordered a ton of it. So let's get into it and see what we got. Oh my gosh, look at those colors. I'm in love. All right, so we have Kaleidoscope, Daisy Chain, Groovy Glow, what's this? Harmony, Peace and Love, I can't see this one. Okay, so this is more of the groovy. This is in Harmony. There's a brown one. It's Cuddles. Okay, so this is different. So I ordered this along with it because I have some regulars in here. So let's see what else we have. There's more Daisy Chain. This one is Technicolor. All these colors are so beautiful. What's this? More Peace and Love, Peace and Love. I also ordered a bunch of brown because I am making some cows right now. I also ordered orange and teal because some Perry the Platypuses are in my future. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.